Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rialto local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers at 3 Movers will bring you back the happy moving butterflies. Our professional moving company offers every service you'll need, from packing to unpacking. We want you to have as much time as possible to take pleasure in your old space as you get ready to start somewhere new, so we will arrive on time and get you moved fast. Our excellent work is priced fairly at a rate you can afford, as you'll see from the free quote we will provide you with. Whether you're state hopping or headed abroad, you'll have a lot of bags to pack and things to do. Let our movers pack your belongings safely and securely with packaging designed to withstand a long journey, so you have time to explore what to do in your new state or touch up on your foreign language skills. Saying goodbye to your longtime home is never easy. It can be especially hard if you're moving nearby and still have to pack up everything anyway. How can you justify all the added stress? Our movers are experts at getting customers packed and moved in just one day. Take a trip down memory lane in your space while we worry about the moving part. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rialto moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.